Jai Gurudev children, did you watch the last video of lesson skip counting? Yes? Good. Are you practicing it? Nice. Were you able to solve the textbook exercises? Good children. Did you fill in what are the things that we can skip and what are the things we shouldn't skip? Did you do the activity? That's nice. Good. Shall we start today's class?
Children, can you guess what is the animal you see here? You're right, it is a rabbit. One day, it wanted to eat its favorite food and it was searching here and there, but it could not find its favorite food. Can you tell me what its favorite food is? Yes, they are carrots. So it decided to go out and get some carrots. Children, while returning home, do you know what happened? Yes, it started raining. So the rabbit was in a hurry to get back home. What all do we see here, children? We see the number line and we see the rabbit. Correct? What else do we see here? Yes, we see the house of the rabbit, where there are few more rabbits. Now, what is the house of the rabbit called as? Very good, it is called as burrow. As the rabbit was in a hurry here to get back home, it took few jumps. Now, I want you to observe what the rabbit did. Okay? Did you all observe, children? Good. Now tell me, it started from which number? Yes, it started from number 0. Now when it took the first jump, which number did it reach? Correct, it reached on number 5. When it took the second jump, which number did it reach? Yes, it reached on number 10. And when it took the third jump, you're right, it reached on number 15. Now we know the rabbit was first on number 0. So now to reach to number 5, how many numbers did the rabbit skip? Correct, it skipped 4 numbers and it reached the 5th number, that is number 5. Now from 5 to reach number 10, how many numbers did it skip here? Let's count. 6, 7, 8 and 9. So it skipped 4 numbers and reached number 10. In the same way, to reach number 15, it skipped 4 numbers. Right, children? It reached on number 15. We can even find out like this. It was on 0. So to reach to number 5, 0 plus how much is equal to 5, children? Yes, 0 plus 5 is equal to 5. Now from 5 to reach to 10, how many more should we add? Correct, 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. Now from 10, how much should we add to reach to 15? Yes, plus 5. So 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. Now can you tell me in which number are we doing the skip count here? You're right, we are doing the skip count in 5s. Very good, children. Children, let's take another example. Which animal do you see here? Yes, we see a lion and a baby lion. Now can you tell me what is the baby lion called as? Correct, it is called as a cub. Now Mama lion wanted to meet its baby. Let's see what it does. Okay. Did you all observe, children? On which number was the lion first, Mama lion? Yes, it was on 0. To meet its baby lion, it took a big jump and reached on number 10. Correct. So, we have skipped how many numbers to reach number 10 here? Yes, we skipped 9 numbers and we have reached the 10th number, isn't it? So, if you add 0 plus 10, we reach on number 10. Now, can you tell me in which skip count we are doing the counting here? Yes, we are doing the skip count in tens. Children, let's complete few examples here before we do our textbook exercise. Okay. Now, let's go to the first one. Here we have number 11, then 13. Then we have the blanks to fill. So, tell me what should we write here? Were you able to find out in which number we have to do the skip counting? We are on number 11, after 11 12, then after 12 13. We have the answer 13 there, but we skipped one number and reached the second number. So, let's continue to do the same. 13, after 13 14 will skip and then we'll reach on 15. Very good. Then let's skip 15, 16 and then reach 17. So, can you tell me, we just did the skip count of? Correct. We did the skip count of 2. Understood, children? Let's continue with few more examples. Okay. Here we have 30, then 33. What will be the next number, children? Correct. 36. Then after 36, 39. Very good. Here we did the skip count of 3. Are you understanding, children? We'll go to the next one. We have 5. Then the next number is 8. To find out in which number we are doing the skip counting, keep 5 on your finger. Then we have next numbers are 6, 7 and we reached 8. So, how many numbers did we skip here? 2. We reached on the third number. So, we know we are doing the skip count in 3s. So, now let's do the same. After 8, when you skip count in 3, what is the next number, children? Correct, it is 11. Then 14. Very good. Here we did the skip count of 3. Excellent. We'll try another one. Here we have number 10. After 10, it is 14. So, find out, children, we have to do the skip count of? Very good. Here we need to do the skip count of 4s. Okay. So, what will be the number after 14 here? Yes, it is 18. Then after 18, 19, 20, 21. We are going to leave 3 numbers, skip 3 numbers and go to 22. Here we did the skip count of 4. Understood, children? Let's go to the last one. We have 25, then we have 30. So, what will be the next number? Very good. 35. Then after 35, 40. Very good. Here we did the skip count of 5. Children, shall we try few more examples? Okay. Now here we have 41, then the next number is 51. So, in which number are we doing the skip counts here? Yes, we are doing the skip count in tens. So, now tell me what will be the number that comes after 51 when you skip count in 10? Correct, 61. Then, very good, it is 71. Here we did the skip count in tens. Now the next number 55, then 60. In which skip count we are doing here, children? Very good, in fives. So tell me what will be the number after 60 when you skip count in 5? Correct, it is 65. And then it will be 70. Very good. Then we have next one 73, 75. So what will be the next number here? Correct, it is 77. Next 79. Very good. Here we did the skip counting in twos. Next we have 86, 89. Tell me, children, what is the next number? Correct, it is 92. Next it will be, yes, 95. Here we did the skip count in threes. We'll go to the last one. We have 70, we have 80. So what will be the next number? Did you find out in which number we have to skip count? Correct, in tens. So after 80 we'll have 90, then after 90, 100. Excellent, children. Children, take out your composite book, turn to page number 118, write today's date. Let's complete the exercise given here, okay? We have to continue the pattern by counting in fives. We'll go to A1. Here we have number 10, 15, 20. Then what will be the next number? We are skip counting in fives. Yes, 25. Then 30. Very good. Next 35. Next 40. Next 45. Very good, children. We'll go to example B. Here we have number 11, 16, 21. So what will be the next number? Count in 5, children. After 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Yes, we have number 26. So what will be the next number? Correct, 31. Next, yes, 36. Next number will be 41. Now after 41 we'll have 46. Very good. Did you observe here, children? We see 11 where the number in ones place is 1. When you go to 16, the number in the ones place is 6. In 21, again the number in ones place is 1. In 26, the number in ones place is 6. You see this, right? This is only called as pattern. You can check like this. We'll go to the next example. Here the numbers are 23, 28, 33. So what will be the next number? Solve this on your own, children. I'll give you 5 counts. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Your time's up, children. Did you get the answer? Let's check for the answer. 38, 43, 48, 53 and 58. Did you observe the pattern here also, children? Okay. Now let's go to the next one. Here you have to continue the pattern by counting in tens. We'll go to example A. 10, 20, 30. What will be the next number? Correct, 40. Then 50. Next 60. Next we have 70 and then 80. Very good. We'll go to example B. Here it is 15, 25, 35. Now continue on your own, children. Complete it. Are you done? Then let's check for your answers. Yes, it is 45, then 55, 65, 75 and then 85. I hope you all got your answers correct. Good children. Children, on page number 103, you have similar exercises to count and fill in the boxes by skip counting in 5s and then by 10s. Okay, now you know how to solve, right? You know how to count and then write the number. Try it on your own. We'll check for the answer in the next class. Okay. Children, did you all complete the homework on page number 102? Very good children. Check for the answers. Okay. Children, on page number 818 in your composite book, you had to complete skip count in 2s and skip count in 3s. Did you complete it, children? Very good. Children, keep practicing. Let's all meet in our next class. Jai Gurudev.